Let me show you how to pull your Instagram organic performance data using ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe and get a full report with insights and recommendations. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Instagram Organic and set the permissions to read plus write. Sign in with your Facebook account since Meta owns Instagram and grant access to your Instagram accounts. Select the Instagram account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps, then create a new app. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Create. The InsightfulPipe MCP is now connected to ChatGPT. Now write the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to pull Instagram performance data for the last 60 days, including reach, engagement, and follower growth, and provide insights and recommendations to improve future content. ChatGPT connects to Instagram through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling the data. It fetches account-level metrics and all recent posts to cover the full 60-day window. The report is ready. It shows 1,433 reach, over 2,000 views, 263 total interactions, and 7 followers. It also compares the first 30 days to the second 30 days to show the trend. It ranks the top performing posts by reach and engagement. The best post on Connecting X ads got 141 reach and 21 shares, making up most of the total shares. The report highlights what is working. Specific platform-led demos outperform generic announcements. Shares are highly concentrated in one standout post, showing the value of practical, pass-along useful content. ChatGPT wraps up with clear recommendations, including doubling down on the winning content angle, refreshing the creative format, and adding stronger calls to action to boost profile visits. That is Instagram Analytics with ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.